What's up guys, Frosty here, and today, oh my god guys, it's finally here, Pokemon Break Bronze for free. You don't need to pay Robux to play it anymore. I'm so hyped for this. I've been waiting for this for so long. I really look forward to play this game, so let's get started. Okay, are you ready to start your adventure? New game. It looks so amazing. I played Project Pokemon just to see, just to see if these games are good or no. But this game is absolutely amazing. And by the way, guys, sorry because the characters are gray from the beginning. I don't know, my internet connection is low or something like that, but it just looks amazing. Oh my god. Okay, this is me. I'm really sorry for it. Okay, yeah. Oh, why did it throw the alarm clock like that? I can't believe today has finally come. Today I get my first Pokemon from the Pokemon Professor. Yes! I have always dreamed of setting out on my own adventure with Pokemon by my side. There's so many Pokemon in this world. I hope to discover them all one day. Oh, I'd better get going. Oh, I almost forgot. I need to fill out my training card. Type your name, Frosty. Did I write that correctly? Yes. Awesome. I'm that much closer to officially being a Pokemon trainer. Okay, attention new trainers. Some notes from the developers of Pokemon Group Months. You will only be able to trade and battle with other players after you receive the first gym badge. Progress is not saved automatically. You must either manually save from the menu or enable autosave from the options menu. Pokemon Break Bronze is still in the development. There will be bugs here and there, but we're always working to fix them. Help us out by sending a message to TBRATM or Lando 64000 with details if you find one. If you have any questions about Pokemon Break Bronze, you can post them on the wall of the official group. Thanks for playing. Oh, look at the Pikachu, he's so cute. This looks amazing, by the way. Let's check it. Okay. I'm going down the stairs. Okay. Oh, nice Eevee picture. This is where I live, obviously. But hey, first it's me, Jacob. Oh my god, he's great. I can't believe we're getting our first Pokemon today. This is the day we dreamed of since we were kids. I'm on my way to the lab to get mine right now. Oh yeah, your parents wanted to see you before you went to the lab. I saw them pass my house earlier, heading towards the digging site. Hurry and go talk to them. I'll be waiting for you at the lab. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, where are my parents? Are you my parents? No. Parents! Parents, are you there? No? No one's here? Okay, who's here? Oh, hi. Who are you? Did you know that Pokemon are better at using moves of their own type? It makes sense. What's this? My husband comes home and tells me some of the most interesting things about Pokemon. The other day he told me that some Pokemon only evolve if they really like their trainer. That's great. Okay. I need to find my parents. Let me explore a little bit. Okay, who is this? Hi. Some odd Pokemon are harder to catch than others. Also, some Pokeballs are more effective on certain Pokemon. Okay, I know that. Sorry guys. Hey Granny. Oh, what it gives to be young again. Just to be able to explore the vast world of Pokemon. Nice picture you have there. Hey, I remember when they used to say there's only 150 Pokemon. My, how time flew. Supposedly now it's estimated that there are over 700 kinds. Okay, if there are 700 kinds, we get the choices. Oh my, wait. So that means there are all 15 generations or 16, I don't remember exactly. Over there is the Pokemon Professor. He's a Pokemon researcher stored in that facility. Okay. I'm going in the lab. Hey Jack. Oh, this picture is so cute. Look at Pikachu. And I can't remember this Pokemon's name. I've written over 50 reports on Pokemon. The one I'm working on now is on Mega Evolution. Is that actually in this game? Much is still unknown about Mega Evolution. I've even had a few conversations with Professor Sycamore from the Kalos region. Hey Jack, the professor's not here yet to go ahead and go find your parents. They should be around the digging site somewhere. The professor sells these Pokemon for 25 of that Robux each? No way. I'm pretty sure he plans on giving you first one free though. Okay. Yeah, if he gives me one for free. Okay, it's fair enough to be with Robux. I don't know. Oh, I can move the camera around. Wait, I didn't let me move it around before. I'm gonna go over there first. I'm gonna check here because this looks like a digging place. Are that my parents? Artifacts and stuff. These are my parents. Well, that ought to take care of it. We have to keep this a secret for everyone safe. You're right, it's too dangerous for anyone to go down there. I don't think we should tell anybody about me. Maybe we can tell that the new professor? Maybe you're right. Oh, Frosty, you startled me. Hey, champ. Today is the day you get your first Pokemon. We are so happy to see you, sweetie. Okay, I'm gonna try and make first impressions. So, sorry we didn't meet you at home. We just discovered something in the cave last night. As archaeologists, your mother and I are very thorough in our work. That's right, but enough talking. Let's head down to the professor's lab and let you pick your very first Pokemon. I'll see you there. Let's go to the lab. Oh my god, they're fast. Wait up! Mom, Dad. Come on! I can't jump. I can't run. Okay, we're going in the lab. Oh my god. Very first Pokemon. Okay, who do I choose? Are there going to be second, third generations of Pokemon or only first? Like, do I choose Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander, or... Hello, my name is Professor Cypress. I am the new professor in this town. I'll bet you're Frosty. Your parents were just telling me about you. You must be very excited to be getting your first Pokemon today. There are a few things you must know about Pokemon first. Pokemon are our friends and we grow alongside them. They grow, in some cases evolve and change form as we battle with them. Your Pokemon will grow to love you as you adventure with them. Oh, that's cool. I never knew that before. Yes, and there are still many things that we do not know about Pokemon. Frosty, I want you now to pick a Pokemon that you would like accompany you on your adventures. Make a choice from these 18 different breeds. 18? Go ahead now. Okay. Oh my, it's so really hard. No. Oh my god, it's going to be a hard choice. Who do I choose? I like Charmander. The most Totodile I really like. And yeah, Charmander or Totodile. I think I'm gonna go Charmander because I really want a Charizard, and if these Mega Evolutions are true, a Mega Charizard would be awesome. So I'm going Charizard. So you would like Charmander, the Fire type Pokemon? Yes, I guess. Excellent choice, Frosty. Your new Pokemon is so cute. That Pokemon definitely has potential in battle. I hope our Pokemon become best friends like we are. Alright, Frosty. Many challenges await you. Let me give you one other gift that will help you along your way. It's a Pokédex. It's like an electronic encyclopedia that records the kinds of Pokemon you encounter and capture. It will also help me in my research with Pokemon. Also, if you'd like, you can come back at my time and purchase another Pokemon from my assistant, David. Now, what are you waiting for? Go and explore the world of Pokemon. Yes, Frosty, go ahead and have fun with your Pokemon. Just stay behind and talk to the professor for a minute. We'll meet up with you later. Okay? Hey Frosty, wait up. Who's saying this? Oh, Jack. We have Pokemon now. Let's battle. Okay, getting straight in with the first battle. I said Jack, I meant Jake. How do you get a Eevee for a starter? Okay. Fight. Ember, I guess. No matter. No. A critical hit. Oh, that's bad. Let me try out a scratch. Tail whip. Okay, he's using stats. Oh my god, that was absolutely terrible. Ember. Tackle. Oh, that. Did you just see how much damage that does? Please win. Oh my god, I lost. I lost my first battle. No. But it's not fair. How does he get an Eevee for a starter? Firstly, that was an excellent battle. Your father and I watched it while we were discussing things with the professor. We are very proud of you in taking this step to become a Pokemon trainer. We want you to know that we will be supporting you as you explore area. You need to be very careful as you are going to be out on your own for the first time. Don't forget to floss. Frosty, we want to give you something to take with you as a gift to celebrate this momentous occasion. What's this? Bronze brick obtained. Okay, Frosty put the bronze brick in the bag. We made it into a necklace just this morning. When you look at it, remember your family who loves you. Don't forget to keep it safe. We're headed back to the house. If you need anything, that's where you can find us. Okay. Wow, that was a pretty cool, really cool of your parents. Oh boy. Oh, by the way, I have something for you. Therefore, catching out Pokemon obtained 5 Pokeballs. First, put the Pokeballs in the bag. It works best if you weaken the Pokemon before throwing a Pokeball at it. I know that. Well, I need to gather a few things before I set off on my adventure. You should go start training Pokemon on Route 1. First Route 1 is Cheshire Town. That will be a good place for us to meet up. Alright, I'll see you later. No, not here. I'm going out by myself, yes. Okay, Route 1, here I come. Okay, where is that one? There. Are you? Don't know why, but the water has always scared me. Not a very good swimmer. Some people ride in the backs of Pokemon and let them do the swimming. Okay. Here, let me show you Pokemon for you. Thanks. Good luck on all your adventures out there. If your Pokemon ever need a quick healing, come talk to me. Who are you two? Mind your own business, we're just hanging out. What are you looking at, kid? Jeez, don't be so rude, okay? Who are you? I have a strange feeling about you two. First Pokemon encounter and it's a Sentret. Hey. What? Where's the Okay. A Sentret. Should I capture it? Well, no. I mean, should I or no? Okay, let's at least try to. I'm not gonna catch this, it's just a level 3. I'm gonna try and kill it with a scratch. Yes, a critical hit. Great. Now off we go. Oh. Hi. Bugs are the most interesting Pokemon. Luckily for me, I have a fire type and I can burn all of your bugs down. A Wurmple. Use Ember. It should be super effective, if I'm not wrong. Yes, one shot kill. Good job, Charmander. I was going to say Charmeleon for a second. No, I don't have other Pokemon to switch. Another Ember. Level 6, yes. Hey. Yeah. Okay. What's here? I want to find a not a PG, a Pikachu. I'm gonna see how much a scratch does to a PG level 2. Not bad, and I think the Ember should kill it. Yep. Okay. One more Pokemon encounter. Another PG. Should I capture? No. Oh no. Another Ember. Okay, if he survives this, I would have captured him, but he did not. Let me go to that guy that heals all your Pokemon. Okay. Thanks. Bye. You. Wait. You look like that team that people are talking about. Team Eclipse, was it? Or yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Eclipse. You got E. I don't like him. They're like Team Rocket, but their name is different. Ember. No. 1 damage. Scratch him. Nice. I need to heal my Pokemon. It's only 1 HP, but that could make a lot of difference. Okay, thank you, and okay. Yes, I did not encounter a wild Pokemon because I have a fight with this guy. I need to. Hey, I saw a Pokeball. I met my Pokemon on this route. I saw a Pokeball right there. Camper Jack. A Zigzagoon. That's an interesting Pokemon. I'm gonna ember him. Okay. Okay, make it a critical or just kill him, please. Yes. Thank you for the money. And bye. Yeah, this. Can I get this from here? No. Do I have to fight with you? Yes. I just love Pokemon, they're so cute. Picnicker. Susie. A Bunnelby. Okay. I'm gonna ember him. Come on, if I win this fight. No, don't use tackle. If I win this fight, I think I'm gonna level up my Charmander to level 8. I really look forward to evolving him into a Charmander, then Charizard, and then a Mega Charizard. Ember. Great job. Yes. Get killed by the what? Burn, there's absolutely no. It didn't do any damage. It did like 1 HP damage. The burn. Usually it's thank you for the money and bye. Okay. What's this? Okay. Potion. Frosty put the potion in the bag. Oh, cool. So you can get potions and stuff. Okay. Frosty! Oh no. Well, I got here as fast as I could. Is something wrong? Oh my god. Something. What? I need you to come back to town with me. I don't have time. Oh my god. It's happened so fast. What happened? I'm so glad to see you're safe. I'm so sorry to be the one to tell you this, Frosty. But your parents have been abducted from their home in the short time you have been gone. What? How could you? No. Why? Who did this? No. Not much is known yet, but it is suspected that they were taken by a group of people known as Team Eclipse. That two rascals. That were that the two guys that were rude to me. You see, Team Eclipse is an organization of people who have a unique perspective on people and Pokemon. They believe that people and Pokemon are not at harmony with one another, and they have interesting ideas for how to solve this problem. They're also dangerous and not to be trifled with. They seem to do whatever it takes to accomplish their goals. Do not know what they want with your parents, but I suspect it has something to do with their skills as archaeologists. Your parents are familiar with Pokemon of Legend on Warrior. Whenever Team Eclipse is after, I'm sure they are getting very close to achieving it. Now tell me first, did your parents say anything about their work when you saw them this morning? Oh, so your parents gave you that necklace earlier. That's interesting. Anyways, it's not safe for you here now, Frosty. I think for the time being, it's best for you to leave town, at least until we figure out what happened here. Cheshire Town is a good place to start. It's just past Route 1. Be careful now, Frosty, and don't go looking for trouble. No, how could this happen? Wait, is that bronze brick that they gave me something to do with Team Eclipse? Yeah, these two guys that were here are gone now. They kidnapped my parents. No, no.